nyame adom akina kodoko etimi atone nsa e de afre House of Folk amomo e de apimpim mu e wo de Kumasi Baba Yara Sports Stadium mi nyina nim se first leg no kodoko etimi twa House of Folk e ka mensa ama House etimi atimu mienu House ene di kan to atena na bra abranti ane din e de Lende Intenge ana Lenda Intenge ono etimi ehuri na odi neti apim Salif Ibrahim delivery from the left side of attack, but Asante Kroko responded quickly after Abranti and Dindi Isaac Atekano na Stephen Desimukwala go ahead put 2 balls and make the scoreline 3-1, but Martin Kakari also rose within the ranks and reduced the deficit to 3 goals to 2. Nyamiadu China second leg in a tujwa ewo Kumasi Baba Yara Sports Stadium tia pesi ahwene makakra bi na yehu gwan game no ebetimi afaso and whichever team nyame adom achina obetimi carry the day. Said in America, there have been so many forms of traditional beliefs surrounding this particular encounter, and one of them has got to do with the weather. And whenever it rains, like someone who is so inquisitive, someone who likes to do a lot more research, I can say emphatically that whenever it rains, and maybe so to be an yana scoreline tako e de ma House of Folk na eti akodoko titru pa na se game no eba so e wo Kumasi ana Baba Yara Sports Stadium. And like today, that is Saturday, we have seen that it rained brebi nso no beto anopa bia Saturday anopa bia just before Koroko meeting House of Folk ewo the Kumasi Baba Yara Sports Stadium ya na mpempi no entan nko emfama Kumasi Asante Kroko nyame enso eto enne anopa, but another body of knowledge and so arising within the ranks that whoever that at on Tokoroko bring their traditional drums na almost boa eya na nneman so ego in their favor inti ne inso ni toye na yehui say amanfo yi totun sansan na omu bomu signify say nneman so be koyie e de ama Kumasi Asante Kroko nyame adomo echina ewo the Baba Yara Sports Stadium. But on this platform we don't give much attention to spiritual issues, whether what I've seen is true or what people did on radios today is true. We don't give much attention to spiritual issues. See a share nyame adom China niema ebetimi a contribute to any victory of any of the clubs. Intian starting in the goalkeeping department, one very key area. Nyame adom China so bi betimi a carry there. Obi betimi any niema ye first leg ni nyina yehu so evident, so emphatical. Say has goalkeeper and the Richard attack a mistake watch Asante Kroko 2 goals. The second and also the third as Stephen Mukwala etimi after just punching na utimi pimbo ne to Mukwala nim na on so bobo ne to, and then the second and it was PNTM no be save and also would delay into himself goalkeeping error. Also House of Folk in the first leg, and we are also anticipating, and House of Folk has been a side to show that omone kotokoshia omone tire that goalkeeping error no yenyine nim de to goalkeeper ni di Sulaima Abdullah was some years back ebra utimi ye mistake bi makoro share House of Folk the Accra Sports Stadium, and I see this season first leg nti nyame adom China se obi betimi ahia na se obi ye mistake dia na bi a House goalkeeping department ana omo betimi aye mistake ifro na eba the defensive aspect. And so I'm say traditionally House of Folk better at the chain as Asante Kroko when it comes to defense. House of Folk is not a purely defensive unit, and yes, an American, but it's a basic defend, and then the defense can be just a slightly open defense. On your pop on all right, but actually the way is some form of defensive unit has yard or sa anamon at the chain Kumasi Asante Kroko. In China, we are also expecting to see the same thing. Say House of Folk be a better defensive unit at the Achen Krobia Kumasi Asante Kroko. But on the side of Asante Kroko, they are having only one technically gifted player, that is in the shape of Nuruddin Muhammad. One the technicalities, the ball reading abilities, the concentration, the awareness are so paramount for any central defender. Let me say Nuruddin Muhammad was Sadi ni be bet ne other co-defenders in the Sadi ni be and no and be a bit me a co-ediatia Kumasi Asante Kroko. But if they can resolve it, then they are good to go. But if they cannot, that is going to serve as an advantage to House of Folk. Now let's come to the middle of the park. That is where most of the determination is going to be. Oba Kumasi Asante Kotoko Asuya, Ubenya Eric Sejizeze, Ubenya Baba Yaya, Ubenya Samson Enoch Morrison in the absence of Richmond Lamptey and Sheriff Muhammad, yes, who was very so instrumental utimi mbekase ne contribution ana mark to ko timi share Hearts of Oak 3-2 e wo first leg no enti etwase ko timi ehwe omo midfield ni bet Enoch Morrison akira me yehu se at the end of the day no ono nso better se yenya Mo Muhammad na se yenya obi amane mebo a ono Enoch Morrison no better e de chen any other player bia be friend in the absence of Fort Muhammad no enti eba ne sade a na serve as an advantage e dia makrobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko, unlike Hearts of Oak and any other club na omo key man omo strategic man e play omo nse de nya obi papa bia mani misi wo manan, but for Kotoko omo nya obi in the shape of Fort Enoch Morrison games awabodi ama Kotoko no watimi approve a Kotoko watimi nya some key victories over some of these clubs. Hearts of Oak is also having what Linda Intanji, who will be so crucial and who will be an X factor for Hearts of Oak, who scored in their first leg against Asante Kotoko. And if Hearts of Oak is more likely to score tomorrow, one of the sources will be from Linda Intanji, and he has been a super player. He has been a creative player. He has been a man who has a lot of confidence to push the ball up front. But coming up as Asante Kotoko, who is a big club, is he really going to push the ball in a more confident manner as he has been playing against some of these small clubs? In Tisabana Sanis want to be more confidence and in a higher free-flowing football no Infantia Kotoko. The NHS say definitely a better limited the impact of Hearts of Oak. And say by midfield, Asante Kotoko will be carrying the midfield, especially now that they have Zeze. I want to itimi a quality ball when Japan need the free deep midfield, no progress through the midfield. Now they are back behind the box. Now if you will release the passes, no Hearts of Oak don't have that kind of player. They only have a similar in the shape of what Salif Ibrahim. I want only the intimidation that nim free deep midfield. Enfan Nantia Midru 18 that you no more pass. Only the amount for Hoya Brenno no na Jin 18 that you ho. Now if you wire day will loopy ball no na the final man no etimia day. Alachi onto the ball. Until say one wine the Bayer Jumani their brain will 18 that and that is where it can go against Hearts of Oak. And now let's come to the attack. And coincidentally, we are having a Kotoko striker that is in the shape of Stephen Mukwala, who have banged in 12 goals this season in the Ghana Premier League. And also Hearts of Oak, Hamza Issa has also scored 12 goals. In Tienya Asante Kotoko striker washe 12 and Hearts of Oak striker one also ashe 12. And now Mukwala is having that quality. Mukwala is having that exposure after being called for Uganda to play against the likes of Black Stars and also to play at national level football. That is what Hamza Issa is not having. That is the exposure that I'm talking about. But games involving Asante Kotoko and Hearts of Oak, yana experience, exposure, any quality, no, and shada encounter. And now we are 12, and now we will experience no quality. And the chain we bet quality ne experience, you know, and shada and ye jumadia. Now let's try to measure them naturally. Beyond kind of first need juma. Near from relating it to the opponent and their defense will be a bit and near they are likely saying a mere domo and will beat me juma. Said the Makase Mukwala need to be involved with team play. With team no Kotoko, team need now ball as a unit. Now final pass near body to no share. Aside that, Mukwala na kwa team Japo, any free center, a team the ball ne bar bebeshe. You win the first leg after latching on to the true ball from Richmond Lamptey. What the ball no running ababeshe, and most of the goals are watched this season. Ayana is I bob on the top down him. So no quote me for bona the 18 maybe push. But that is not true for Hamza Issa. Hamza Issa ain't me and yet Sadiano. So what you see, and now Hamza Issa no kind of fast or attack, and I say, ya bobo na betu 18 na opponent ne clear no. Say bien fancy crossing and ye na ubi head ya. Once yana or head out of the penalty box, yana amodin shede nim. Inti bi obe head ya to 18-yard box in mukakra. Ne bia defender na nipa. Aye the atwa clearance so out of the danger zone. But Kotoko, sa no munsu defense de tie. omu nye a setup ana a unit a se ball beto omu 18 no omu clear omu timi clear ball no completely enti obenye obi a wo clear ansa no wonya second man anko beto aso ama no but mostly no eya na players no ennim sa de winti omu nye closer to whoever ball na ba no ho a wo clear na anko ye obi nso beto aso no eto ho de a me nyame nim no kure ne Hamza Yiza onfa nchemo sana ne striking abilities ne tie pass kotoko timi a realize the make kan no mo kaso mo solve dia between Mukwala and between Hamza Yiza. Mukwala is more likely to score than Hamza Yiza because ekwan Mukwala first operate no yen sheda enni bomu system bia betima kasa wo dey stop no and Mukwala no ana kotoko na china o ban Baba Yara Sports Stadium ni nyina Mukwala se Mukwala ansha why no kotoko a wo ba behye and kotoko ball na wo bori nyina no mo ball because they have Mukwala. So it is so difficult to cut the impact and the influence that Mukwala can have on tomorrow's game than what Hamza Yiza can bring on board for Hasselhoff. For Hamza Yiza, if Koroko become aware, especially their midfield, in the shape of Enoch Morrison, who will be playing in the defensive unit, where defenders need a ball also say crossing and ye yaba 18 mu a etwa so mo ya we hu se ball no be si defender so no wo kla ho din ni mu a e de be free 18 mu akọ enti obi ben ana omo nkeka mo ho se de be ya ball no beto mu a omo benya obi obeto so e de free ho na a rule out the potential effect Hamza Yiza betimi dia mo ntimi anya sa de we dia ene Hamza Yiza betimi di bi eto mu dia mo. So based on this analysis, you can make your own prediction, and we want to see how the game will end at the Baba Yara Sports Stadium on Sunday. Thank you for being with Football Surgery Sports.